Welcome to the class. During our last lesson, we've learned and practiced one of the most advanced methods of embroidery. Thus, today we will complete our pattern using the fish scale technique. I draw additional borderline, 2 holes lower from the previous triangle. There's no need to use the liner since I'm drawing according to the hole's direction. And next, embroider a newly drawn line till the edge. The method is similar to the previous neck method, however with a slight difference, and is also easier. Thus apply security stitch at the border of the triangle and continue stitching back without sequences, as close to the previously embroidered line as possible. At the triangle's edge, I apply loose stitches to secure the border. And then again, I'm turning to the back, applying sequences. Thus the second line has been completed, and I start placing empty stitches as close to the previous line as possible within 1 hole. Apply a little empty stitch and another one. Then continue supplying sequences. Thus I complete the last remaining triangle figure. Make sure you slightly touch the borders and secure it with a little and short stitches. Like this I finish the embroidery, emphasizing the peak with the very last sequin. And we're done. We've experienced a fish scale technique and a snack line that are well known as advanced methods of embroidery. Photograph your work from both sides of the frame and send it to me along with the questions or comments if you have.